प्लांटेशन है ये फाइनल चाय पत्ती तैयार हो गई है। फाइनल रिजल्ट यही है। फाइनल का रिजल्ट यही है। इसमें क्या है, कैसे सूखता है वो। ओहो, ये मामला है। ऐसे चाय पत्ती खाने के लिए इसमें सुखानी पड़ रही है चाय पत्ती। इसमें सूखती है, इधर से रिटर्न होके इस पे आ रही है घूमता हुआ। तब जाके हमें चाय मिलती है पीने के लिए। इतनी मेहनत होती है एक चाय पत्ती के लिए। इतनी सारी मेहनत करते हैं चाय बनाने के लिए, तब जाके पी के है बच्चों, तब जाके हमें थोड़ी सी पत्ती मिलती है तो हम चाय पीते हैं।
So usually from the powder leaves only will be getting some powders, right? Tea powders. Those sticks will be made as fibers.
Okay.
So those fibers will be flying up
Okay.
inside the dryer.
Oh, okay, okay.
So these cyclones will be sucking the fibers.
The fibers.
Will be start here.
Oh.
Even these will be like used as an anode.
Oh, okay, okay. ये फाइनल है ना, कंप्लीट है इसके बाद। चले आओ आगे भी चलो। लास्ट क्या है? इसमें क्या है? इधर देखिए।
After drying, I mean like it has 0.03% moisture content. So again some fibers are there, right? Minute fibers. That fiber should be clean. It should be stored for some time for cooling. So after it's set to be cooled, it will be grading based upon the sizes.
Right, right.
So this single bulb will be separated into 10 grades. 10 sizes.
grades. Okay.
So that is what the main advantage from Orthodox to CTC.
Okay.
So here we'll be getting some 10 grades. In Orthodox, we're not able to get any grades.
No grades. It's just one single thing product.
So that is what the main. We can able to sell it as a 10 varieties.
Right, right,
That is
right.
what the main advantage.
That's interesting. दानेदार है ना ये? हाँ, दाना ही।
We'll be having some bucket conveyor.
Okay.
As a belt conveyor, here we are having some bucket conveyor. This bucket collects and throws
Oh, oh, oh.
to the next process there.
बोला भाई चाय पीने वाला इतनी मेहनत होती है चाय पत्ती बनने में।
Separated. The powders will be stored in the thing. You can put the same bucket conveyor here. be stored. So after it is set to be cooled, it will be grading in the next one. Before that, it will be tasting the for every 1 hour. So it will be tasting the
इधर देखते हैं टेस्ट इधर आएगा। लास्ट पत्ती बन के तैयार होगी। टेस्ट वाली इधर है। ये
It is a tasting room, while the setting room.
फाइनल इधर आ गए।
These two samples are from standard quality. So you can see the color differentiation. So here the standard quality color, this is how it will be. If you go for the premium one, some gold ring will be there along with the color.
Right,
Can you
around
see
the
it?
edge, yeah.
So that is what the main difference from premium to standard.
Oh.
So this is how the standard will be, this is how the premium will be.
Okay. And that's for all tea, not just here.
Of course, every
The
every
color difference is.
Of course, of course.
Okay.
This is for standard quality, this is for premium.
Okay.
For premium, this is how it will be. So in premium, this is combination of every grades, not the other grade.
Okay. Okay.
So which I have taken the other day, next day, I mean before the next day. So like this is after grading. Only 2 grades we have taken, smallest grade, biggest grade.
Yes.
But everything is covered up to premium state. But this is from yesterday's standard outlet, today's standard outlet.
Okay.
So this is how the comparison will be. We'll be checking the comparison. Whether the reputation is going along.
Right.
So we'll be checking the color, strength, everything. So for standard quality, even for the similarly for premium also we'll be checking. Without adding any sugar, we'll be tasting it. There are some 32 factors. So where it is undergoing, everything is a continuity. So we'll be checking it.
So to tick all the boxes to get into production.
Of course. So we'll be checking after the dryer outlet has happened. So we'll be checking here, we'll be tasting here, and then we'll be set to be packed. We do have to check the reputation also, whether the color continues throughout
Right.
the production, throughout the day also.
Do you have a blend it?
What is it?
Do you blend it?
Plantation we do have from some far away, not here.
No, I mean, if you get a batch that's not very good.
What is that?
If there is a batch that is not good, the leaves, they're not good. What do you do with it?
Little mixed.
Most of them will be good.
Okay.
If suppose it's not good, then we will not take for the production. We will be
Just reject that.
rejected. So that is how we do it. So the maintenance even very much differs from standard to premium. From the plantation level, you have to maintain.
Right.
So the plantation maintenance will be very good for the premium when compared to the standard one.
Right.
Since it is from our own estates, we are maintaining it very
Yeah,
well.
you're starting from scratch.
Single kind of plantation, single variety should be taken, not any, any varieties, only same variety. China means China, Assam means Assam. Same variety plantation should be cultivated, harvested, produced. That's it. So this entire cup,
Would that be just one plant?
of course, sir. On one plant, we can able to take some 3 kgs of leaves.
3 kgs.
Ratio.
Three.
So average, you can able to see.
So like final crop or before just the leaves?
Just the leaves, I'm saying.
3 kgs.
So 3.25 kg of premium leaves can produce 1 kg of tea.
Okay.
So 1 cup we can able to take.
So 1 kilogram.
So for one cup of tea you can put only 3 grams.
Right.
So we can make many cups from this.
Right.
So that is the
And
tea.
once a year you pick them or more than once a year?
Yeah,
How many seasons?
So in a plantation, like for every 24 days, we can pluck it for 2 times.
Okay.
2 times.
That's a lot of tea there.
That is.
Okay.
So for standard quality, in standard quality, apart from those wastages, 5 kg of leaf can give 1 kg of powder. For premium, we'll be having some less wastages here. Since we don't have any sticks, 3.25 kg of leaves can give 1 kg of tea. So the wastages will be very less here.
Right.
When compared to the standard.
Right.
Yes, sir.
इधर क्या है?
for trading. So the bulk powder enters there. That machine is called as bulk shifter. The bulk shifter separates the powder into two varieties. So this was fine grades, dust grades. These smallest grades are called as dust grades. Those bigger grades are called as leaf grades. So the bigger grades are called as leaf grades. So in that leaf grades, we will be having some 5 partitions. So the smallest size, bigger, and then third size, fourth, fifth. Those will be separated. Similarly, in dust seed also, the finest one will be filtered there. The second size, third, fourth, particularly is totally separate. Similarly for every grade. First one will be filtered there. Second, third, fourth.
सारा separate separate.
Stored separately. Similarly, in that side also. So this is what the main advantage from Orthodox to CPC.
So what is the difference between dust and leaf? Which is better in terms of
In
leaf
appearance
strength?
wise, only size is size is the main thing.
Okay.
So in secondly, if you go for the, I'll tell you in fine. So before that, trouble there. So when the powder falls there, dust particles will suck to the iron.
Right.
So freshly the powder will be taken to the packing bin. There will be packing. So this entire room is especially for auction packing.
फाइनल पैकिंग हो ये है। बहुत देर के बाद मिला फाइनल पैक।
So April will be packing for auction.
जस्ट पैकिंग, इसमें पैक होता है। ये लो भाई, तुम्हारी चाय पत्ती हो गई तैयार, मंगवा लो। और क्या है?
So we'll be cleaning this entire room. Our premium grades will be graded. It will be taken separately for the next room. So this is for premium packing. It stands standard packing.